What's up, everyone? Playing with the Forester again today. It's warmed up to about 20 degrees. So took my jacket off, naturally, So got the lifted Forester. As always, I'll put links and stuff down below to everything. We're gonna take this thing through some snow. It's not super deep over here, but I want to go through it nice and slow. It's kind of harder packed stuff that we've kind of been driving on lately. It's not fresh powder, so you get that layer where it's like kind of a hard on top, kind of soft in the middle, and then you get some more hard stuff in the bottom. Kind of want to take it through there nice and slow. Probably turn VDC off, get some wheel spin going. We'll probably need it since we're not going to be using momentum, and I'll probably hit X mode to turn it on, because for me, in my experience, it has worked very well in these scenarios where you actually want the braking system to brake the spinning wheels to be more aggressive. So I'm gonna go up over there. You guys kind of see that planter over there? That's a hill kind of up there. It's like a flat ledge. My dad's actually putting a building up there. I want to go up the side of that. You see a bunch of snow over there. I don't know how well it's gonna work. We may have to hit it with some speed. Kind of just want to get up there and see how she does, see how everything works, and as always, just let the system do its thing and see if the CVT and everything and the X mode and stuff can get up. Again, this is a 2015, so starting to slow down there, getting some wheel spin through in the park to grab this camera. Let's get you a little bit closer view so you can see what's going on. Again, I've got VDC off, X mode on. Sinking, it's got to eat through that snow. You see it as the tires spinning around. Just gonna reset the sun. Right now I'm standing in about, I don't know, 2 foot of snow, maybe more if you can get enough weight to get to the bottom. So we're just gonna come up this way and hit that hill there. Kind of start off slow. I just wanted to just have some fun, not shovel, but I came up that and should have kept some momentum going. I wanted to stop to just play with it a bit, and I probably shouldn't have. So I'm not sure what you guys can see from the outside there. I tried with the VDC off, VDC on. X mode's been on the entire time. You can tell it's definitely doing its thing, trying to find traction. It moves a little bit, but I think we're just a little too far off the ground now. So I got my shovel in the back. We're right at the house here. I might even bring the pickup around here, put it in 4-wheel drive, and just hook a tow strap up, throw this thing in neutral, and then pull it out nice and easy. Ended up scrapping the idea to pull it on myself. I don't really love the idea. Second thought of just putting this thing in neutral and pulling it out. I'd like a little bit more help from this vehicle as opposed to just pulling on it. So I'm gonna get the shovel out, just dig it out quick. I don't think it'll take long. Jeez. That worked. That did it. Got a little bit removed from the rear. We were able to get backwards like a few inches. So that gave us the ability to go forward. And then I was able to kind of like hold my foot on the brake for just like a half a second. Not like brake boost or anything, because I don't want to hurt the transmission. Got enough momentum backwards, went back forward again, then came back. So yeah, not bad. I don't want to see if we can make it. I bet we can make it. Let's do it. Had the GoPro on for that last bit. I didn't bother setting my phone up again, but got back out, was able to walk back up pretty easy with a little bit of momentum, which honestly I probably shoulda, woulda, coulda been able to do the first time if I wasn't screwing around just trying to, you know, play with the system. So it's one of those things. It's like play with the system, see how capable it is, and maybe you'll be out here shoveling for 10 minutes, or just give it some gas and get up it. Obviously a little different element to the thing when we kind of already treashed a path, but still fun. So if you guys enjoyed the vid, watch me getting a workout today, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want to see more stuff like this. I feel good. It's like nice and warm out here now. It's like, what is it? Like, it's 28 degrees Fahrenheit. I feel great. That scoop is awesome. Running? It is.